Dear children, in this video we are going to cover chapter 35 Rags to Riches of General Knowledge Grade 5. Obstacles never deter, they only encourage the winners to try once again. The same is true for stories about people who goes from very poor to very rich, from failure to success. Yes, let's discuss about the rags to riches stories. Rags to riches refers to any situation in which a person rises from poverty to wealth, and in some cases from absolute obscurity to heights of fame, fortune, and celebrity, sometimes instantly. Let's talk about Charlie Chaplin, a great comic actor, a filmmaker, and a great composer. Charles Spencer Chaplin was his full name. He was born in London, England on 16 April 1889. His childhood was fraught with poverty and hardship. He had little contact with his father. His mother was confined to a wellness hospital. Charlie took care of his brother and himself. He did odd jobs before becoming one of the greatest actors of the silent movie era. Charlie became so famous that even after 4 years of his death, an asteroid is named after him. It is named 3623 Chaplin. It resides in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Rajnikant, the superstar of Tamil movies, a successful politician. What else is required to show his fame? Shivaji Rao Gaikwad is the real name of this legendary actor. He born on December 12, 1950 in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Rajnikant started his career as a carpenter and later a bus conductor. He then entered the film industry and became a superstar and a cultural icon. I am a woman in process. I'm just trying like everybody else. I try to take every conflict, every experience and learn from it. Life is never dull. She was born in a very poor family with hand-to-mouth earning from a farmland. Today, she has her own network cable channel. It's named after the Oprah Winfrey Network. Frank Odia, another great and inspirational story of a Canadian entrepreneur from rake to riches. His story is an inspiration for entrepreneurs to hold on to their dreams. Frank Odia's story of triumph over diversity in business and in his personal life inspires audiences all around the world. Frank spent his youth living on the streets. He could not even afford a cup of coffee. Later, he became the co-founder of Second Cup, one of the largest chains of coffee shops in Canada. Another story of rake to riches is from the movie Titanic. It's been 21 years since the movie Titanic hit the theaters in 1997. We are talking about Leonardo DiCaprio, an American actor, a great film producer, an active environmentalist. He was the lead actor of the movie Titanic. We all can't forget this innocent face. Harry Potter is a film series based on the eponymous novels by J.K. Rowling. Her full name is Joanne Kathleen Rowling. Rowling has lived a rags to riches life in which she progressed from living on benefits to being named the world's first billionaire author. Another great story is of Steve Jobs. Steve was the co-founder of Apple Computer and the brain behind the reinvention of companies like Pixar Animation. Steve was born in 1955 and raised by adoptive parents in California. Though he was interested in engineering, but to fulfill his passions, he dropped out of pre-college. Steve worked as a video game designer at Atari and later went to India to experience Buddhism. In 1976, he helped in launching Apple. Another successful story is of Dhirubhai Ambani, the founder of Reliance Industries. Born in a small Gujarati family with modest means, Ambani's rise to fame and his constant endeavors to reach the top are nothing less than a narrative, rags to riches story. He has been undisputedly India's most enterprising entrepreneur. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, an inspiration for tens and thousands of Indians. He stated, "Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action." Truly said by him. Dr. Kalam has served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007 and has one of the most extraordinary life stories. His rags to riches story is perhaps not limited to financial wealth but speaks more about his wealth of knowledge. His words inspire and motivate everyone even today. He was a young boy who sold newspapers in his childhood to help his family make ends meet. He rose to the highest office in the land of India. His quotes are an inspiration for all of us. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. His teachings for the students. Along with this, we are ending with this chapter. Thank you.